blue-eyed son. Where have you been, my darling young one? Well, I stumbled on the side of 12 misty mountains, walked in a crowd on 6 crooked highways, stepped in the middle of 7 sad forests, been out in front of a dozen dead oceans. I've been 10,000 miles in the mouth of a graveyard, and it's a high. Well, it's a high. Yeah, it's a high. Said it's a high. You know it's a high rain gonna fall. What did you see, my blue-eyed son? What did you see, my darling young one? Saw a newborn baby with wild wolves all around it. Saw a highway of diamonds with nobody on it. Saw a black branch with blood that kept dripping. I saw a room full of men with their hammers bleeding. I saw 10,000 talkers whose tongues were all broken. Guns and sharp swords in the hands of young children. And it's a high. Well, it's a high. Oh yeah, it's a high. Said it's a high. You know it's a high rain to fall. Well, did you hear, my blue-eyed son? What did you hear, my darling young one? Heard the sound of the thunder and it roared out a warning. I heard the roar of a wave that could drown the whole world. I heard 100 drummers whose hands were blazing. I heard 10,000 whispering and nobody listening. Heard a one person starve. I heard many people laughing. I heard the song of a poet who died in the gutter. I heard the sound of a clown who cried in the alley. And it's a high. Well, it's a high. Beside a dead pony, I met a white man who walked a black dog. I met a young woman whose body was burning. I met a young girl and she gave me a rainbow. I met one man who was wounded in love. I met another man who was wounded in hatred. And it's a high. Oh, it's a high. Blue-eyed son, what will you do now, my darling young one? Well, I'm going back out for the rain starts to falling. I walk to the depths of the deepest dark forest, where the people are many and their hands are all empty, with the pellets of poison flooding their water, with the home in the valley meets the damp dirty prison. And the executioner's face is always well hidden, where the hunger is ugly, where souls are forgotten, where black is the color and none is the number. And I tell it and think it and speak it and breathe it, and reflect from the mountaintop so our souls can see it. And I stand on the ocean until I start sinking, but I know my song well before I start singing. And it's a high.